Welcome to Fix Your Apps, your go-to spot for making sure your tech is always working for you. In today's video, we are diving into the 5 best fishing apps to help you track conditions and land your next big catch. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have Fishing Forecast, a high utility tool specifically designed for precision angling. This app holds a solid 4.1 star rating with over 32,000 reviews on the Play Store. And it's a favorite for its ability to predict the best bite times using real-time atmospheric pressure data. Here are 3 standout features. Google Maps integration, easily navigate and pin your favorite secret fishing spots directly on the map. Advanced barometer, track historical pressure trends, and view local forecasts to stay ahead of weather shifts. Scientific fishing forecast. Get accurate predictions on fish activity by combining weather, lunar phases, and water data. As we open the app, you'll land on the home page, which gives you a clear snapshot of current conditions and the immediate bite forecast. Tapping the map icon brings up your location, allowing you to scout nearby waters or save coordinates for your next trip. If you look at the 3 lines icon in the top left, you'll find the main menu where you can access the fishing calendar and detailed species data. Finally, the settings icon allows you to customize your units and choose between different weather services to ensure you're getting the most accurate data for your specific area. At number 4 on our list, we have Fishbox Smart Fishing app. With a solid 3.6 star rating from over 43,000 reviews, this app acts as a high-tech companion designed to help both beginners and pros land bigger catches using data-driven insights. Here are 3 standout features that make it a must-have. Best fishing time. The app uses AI to analyze weather and Solunar data, predicting exactly when fish are most active. Explore fishing activity. You can track real-time conditions like barometric pressure and water temperature to stay ahead of the game. Find secret spots. It provides detailed bathymetric maps to help you uncover hidden honey holes in over 50,000 lakes and rivers. Moving into the app, the layout is clean and functional. On the Maps page, you get a clear bird's eye view of your surroundings with detailed depth markers. Tapping the search icon in the top menu lets you quickly find specific bodies of water or species. Under the Insights options, you can dive deep into bite forecast and lure recommendations tailored to your location. Finally, the profile icon in the bottom right keeps all your personal catch logs and saved favorite spots organized in one place. At number 3 on our list, we have Fishing and Hunting Solunar Time. This app currently holds a solid 4.5 star rating from over 44,000 reviews, making it a trusted companion for outdoor enthusiasts who want to track the best times to head out. The app uses the Solunar tables theory to help you determine the precise feeding times for fish and wildlife. Here are 3 standout features. Major and minor feeding periods identify the exact windows when fish and wildlife are most active based on lunar positions. Comprehensive solar and lunar data. Track sunrise, sunset, moonrise, and moonset times to perfectly time your arrival and departure. Advanced planning calendar. Use the built-in calendar to check future Solunar data and plan your trips weeks in advance. As we open the app, the interface is clean and functional. On the forecast screen, you get an immediate day rating to see your chances of success. Tapping the calendar option allows you to scrub through dates to find peak activity periods, while the weather section provides a detailed 5-day outlook to ensure conditions are safe. If you're near the coast, the tides option offers essential charts for water levels. Finally, the places option in the bottom right lets you save and manage your favorite secret spots for quick access to local data. It's a powerful tool for maximizing every trip. At number 2 on our list, we have Fishbrain, the ultimate companion for any angler. With an impressive 4.8 star rating from over 62,000 reviews, this app is the go-to tool for a global community of 15 million fishing enthusiasts. Its primary goal is simple: to help you fish smarter by providing data-driven insights for every trip. There are three standout features that make Fishbrain a must-have. Find the best fishing spots near you, use interactive maps and lake tabs to discover exactly where the fish are biting. Know the conditions and prepare for peak bite time. Leverage AI-powered forecasts to track tides, moon phases, and wind for the perfect catch. Learn the most effective baits in your area. See real-world data on which lures and baits are working for other local anglers right now. Looking at the interface, the layout is clean and intuitive. We start in the community tab where you can see catches and tips from anglers worldwide. Moving to the map option, you get a high-level view of local hotspots and water depths. By tapping the plus icon at the bottom, you can easily log your own catches and gear. The activity section keeps you updated on your recent interactions and trends. And finally, the U tab serves as your personal logbook and profile to track your progress over time. At number 1 on our list, we have Fishing Points, a comprehensive fishing app designed to help you plan your next big catch. With an impressive 4.2 star rating and over 195,000 reviews, this app is a trusted companion for more than 10 million anglers worldwide. Whether you're fishing in the open sea, a quiet lake, or rushing river, Fishing Points provides all the data you need to be successful. Here are three standout features that make this app a must-have. Know when to go fishing. Stay ahead of the game with real-time weather alerts and detailed river data. Best fishing times. Use Solunar data and feeding time forecasts to target the most active hours for various fish species. Nautical maps. Access worldwide marine charts and lake depth contours to navigate underwater terrain with ease. Taking a look at the interface, we start on the home map page, which gives you a clear bird's eye view of your surroundings. By tapping the three lines icon in the top left, you can access the main menu and customize your settings. At the bottom, the Save Locations option allows you to pin your favorite hotspots or boat ramps for future trips. You can also use the Save Catch option to log the details of your latest price, while the Measure Distance tool helps you plan your route or gauge the length of your trolling paths. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more app breakdowns.